Are you using Pinterest to its full potential? If you're not diving into your analytics, you're leaving money on the table. In the next few minutes, we'll uncover the hidden secrets behind Pinterest marketing analytics that could skyrocket your performance and elevate your brand like never before. Don't let your competitors get ahead. What you learned today could be the game changer you've been waiting for. Step 1. To access Pinterest Analytics, begin by logging into your Pinterest business account. Once you're in, click on the Analytics icon located in the top left corner of your screen. This will take you to the Analytics dashboard, where you'll find a wealth of information about how your content is performing. Now, let's break it down. The dashboard displays key metrics such as impressions, which tell you how many times your pins have been seen. A high number of impressions means your content is reaching a broad audience, which is a great sign. Then, we have saves. These indicate how many times viewers have saved your pins, showing that they find your content valuable enough to keep for later. Next up are clicks. This metric reveals how many people are actually engaging with your pins by clicking through to your website or profile. The higher the click rate, the better your call to action is performing. Lastly, don't overlook engagement rates. This metric combines interactions like comments, saves, and clicks, providing insight into how your audience is truly connecting with your content. Understanding these metrics is crucial. They not only inform you about your current performance, but also guide your future strategies to enhance visibility and engagement. So, have you explored your own Pinterest analytics yet? How has the data influenced your content strategy? Don't forget to subscribe for more great content. Struggling to succeed in affiliate marketing? Get real results with passive. Step 2. Now that you've familiarized yourself with the basic metrics on Pinterest analytics, it's time to step up and analyze performance trends over time. This involves looking beyond daily numbers and observing how your pins perform over weeks or months. Are there spikes in impressions or saves during certain times of the year? Recognizing these patterns can provide invaluable insights into seasonal interests or trends that resonate with your audience. Next, focus on identifying high-performing pins. Which of your images receive the most attention? Look for common elements in these successful pins, such as colors, text overlays, or themes. This analysis allows you to replicate the elements that captivate your audience, ultimately driving more engagement. As you assess your content's performance, take a closer look at what resonates most. Did particular types of content like do-it-yourself projects or infographics garner more attention than others? Understanding your audience's preferences is key. It helps tailor future content that speaks directly to their interests, enhancing your strategy. Keep a record of these insights as they evolve. Over time, you'll build a robust understanding of what worked, which can lead to even greater success. Have you noticed any trends in your own pins that surprised you? Step 3. It's time to leverage those insights from Pinterest analytics to drive real improvements in your content strategy. Start by reviewing which pins have performed well and identifying the common traits they share. Did certain visuals stand out? Maybe those vibrant colors or clear text overlays made all the difference. By replicating these successful elements, you can make it easier for new viewers to connect with your content and increase engagement. Next, consider the types of content that resonated most with your audience. If do-it-yourself project, for instance, received a flood of saves, think about why that might be the case. Is it the creativity involved, or perhaps the practical value it offers? Use this information to brainstorm and create even more of what your audience loves. Don't forget to tweak your posting schedule. Your analytics might reveal peak times when your audience is most active. By strategically timing your pinning, you can further optimize visibility and engagement. Also, experiment with different formats. If you've noticed infographics performed well, try creating more, even branching out into a fresh format that captures attention, such as videos or slideshows. As you implement these data-driven changes, don't overlook the importance of monitoring your results. Keep track of how your adjustments affect engagement. After all, it's a continuous learning process. Are there any new patterns emerging? How quickly are viewers interacting with your latest pins? Reflecting on these trends will help you refine your future strategy and maintain your audience's interest. So, what patterns have you observed in your own content that surprised you? And how do you plan to use these insights moving forward?